The United Engine Corporation, a subsidiary of the Rostec State Corporation, has reached a major milestone in the revival of Russia's civil aviation sector by completing preparations for the serial production and delivery of its latest turboprop engine, designated as TV7-117ST-01. This powerplant has been developed specifically for the Il-1-14-300, a new generation regional aircraft that is being introduced to the international aviation audience for the first time at the Wings India 2026 Aerospace Exhibition. As Altitude Addicts, the YouTube channel behind this deep dive analysis, notes, this moment represents the shift from promises on paper to hardware ready for real airline service. Beyond production readiness, UEC has also completed the creation of a full domestic service and maintenance framework inside Russia. This infrastructure guarantees long-term operational support for airlines and operators, covering the entire engine lifecycle. Together, these steps confirm that the program has moved decisively beyond development and certification into the phase of stable industrial output and real-world use. This transition is especially important in the broader context of Russia's regional aviation strategy. The Il-114-300 program is designed to rebuild domestic short-haul and regional connectivity using fully indigenous technology, while gradually replacing aging Soviet-era turboprops and reducing reliance on foreign aircraft. At the heart of this effort is the latest evolution of the long-running TV7 engine family, now brought to maturity in its most advanced form. Developed at the St. Petersburg Design Bureau of UEC Klimov, this engine is not a simple refinement of an older design. It has been deeply modernized, incorporating digital control systems, improved aerodynamics, advanced materials, and higher thermal efficiency. The goal of these changes is clear: better environmental performance, lower operating costs, and higher reliability compared with previous generations. Certification marked a decisive turning point. In 2022, the engine received its type certificate, confirming compliance with civil aviation safety and airworthiness standards. Since then, UEC Klimov has methodically expanded the approved operating envelope through additional certification work tied directly to flight experience on the Il-114-300 test program. These activities led to extensions of service life and component lifetimes, making the engine more economically attractive for operators. They also reflected growing confidence built on extensive bench testing and hundreds of real flight cycles. By 2025, the final operational limitations were removed, including restrictions related to reverse thrust use and maneuvering loads. With these limitations lifted, the engine is now fully certified across the complete flight envelope of the Il-114-300. This includes authorization for thrust reverser use during landing, a critical feature for operations from short or less prepared runways. As Altitude Addicts highlights, this capability is particularly important for regional routes in remote or infrastructure-limited areas. Following certification, the program moved to its most consequential phase. With the engine formally included under a valid production organization approval, UEC has received authorization to begin serial deliveries. This marks the shift from prototypes and pre-series units to full-scale industrial production. According to UEC Klimov management, supplier chains have been synchronized, quality control systems validated, and production lines prepared to ensure stable output. Equally important, arrangements for after-sales support have been finalized. This includes engineering assistance, spare parts logistics, repair capability, and maintenance infrastructure, allowing operators to rely entirely on domestic support. From a performance standpoint, the engine is tailored for demanding regional operations. It delivers up to 3,100 horsepower at takeoff, giving the Il-114-300 strong performance even in hot and humid environments. Paired with the modern AV1-12114 low-noise propeller, the system provides higher thrust, improved climb capability, and reduced external and cabin noise. Fuel efficiency was a core design priority. Lower specific fuel consumption in key operating modes translates into longer range and reduced direct operating costs. For regional airlines operating on thin margins, this efficiency is a decisive advantage. The engine is also designed for operation across a very wide temperature range, from -60 to +45 degrees Celsius. This allows reliable performance in Arctic winters, continental climates, tropical heat, and arid regions without degradation. A key element of this modern architecture is the BARC 65SM digital control system. This system manages the engine and propeller as a single integrated unit, continuously optimizing parameters throughout all phases of flight. The result is smoother handling, reduced pilot workload, and improved overall efficiency. Digital integration also enhances diagnostics. Maintenance crews gain better visibility into engine health, enabling predictive maintenance and earlier detection of potential issues before they become faults. Operational credibility was built during an intensive flight test campaign. In 2025 alone, the IL-114-300 accumulated nearly 3,000 flight hours across more than 400 flights using this propulsion system. These flights covered a wide range of payloads, weather conditions, and mission profiles. The accumulated data confirmed stable power delivery, low vibration levels, and consistent behavior in real operational conditions. Engineers also used this experience to fine-tune control algorithms and operating procedures, ensuring the serial configuration reflects real-world airline needs. The international debut at Wings India 2026 marks a symbolic and practical milestone. The IL-114-300 arrived in India after a long ferry flight across 10 countries, demonstrating endurance, reliability, and system stability. At the exhibition, the aircraft is presented as a fully indigenous regional platform, from airframe to engines. During demonstration flights for Indian partners, UEC Klimov specialists were on board, directly observing performance. The propulsion system delivered stable thrust, low noise, and smooth operation throughout. As Altitude Addicts emphasizes, showcasing this capability under real operational conditions is far more persuasive than static displays. Looking ahead, the strategic importance of serial readiness extends well beyond a single aircraft. It reflects the maturation of Russia's domestic engine industry and its ability to field certified, competitive civil power plants. Markets such as India, with growing demand for cost-effective regional turboprops, represent a long-term opportunity. The successful transition into serial production also lays the groundwork for future turboprop and hybrid propulsion concepts. The modular design, digital architecture, and proven certification pathway can be leveraged in next-generation programs. In conclusion, the readiness of this engine for serial production represents a defining moment for UEC and Russia's civil aviation sector. With certification complete, operational limits removed, thousands of flight hours logged, and a full support ecosystem in place, the program has matured into a fully industrial product. Its debut at Wings India 2026, integrated into the IL-114-300, signals confidence, capability, and a renewed intent to compete in the global regional aviation market. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Addicts to encourage us.